Hello, in this video I will show how to change the device connectivity issue generation in the Withthegrid platform. So if we are in a monitoring environment, sometimes we get problems when devices are not reporting on time. So we can actually show how this looks like. And if we go to issues and look at the type missing, we can see that, for example, a device is not reporting in as a critical issue, or we can get a serious issue when the device is not reporting in. And if we look at this message, we can see the device has not been online for 3 days and has missed 2 consecutive condition reports. And this, of course, depends on a use case, and maybe this frequency at which you want to be notified when the device doesn't report is different. So right now it's possible to go to settings, connectivity issue triggers, and it's possible to have a custom configuration when a serious issue or a critical issue should be triggered when a device doesn't report. And a default settings shows sets that the number of missed reports must be 12 and the device must be offline for more than 30 minutes. And if this condition is satisfied, then a serious issue for that device is triggered and the user is notified. And a critical issue happens when a number of missed reports exceeds 2, and if the device is offline for more than 30 days. Of course, based on your application and your requirements and your needs, this can be configured. So, for example, we would like to be notified earlier than 12 days. So let's say we want to be notified after 1 week, after a number of missed reports is 7, and when the device is offline for, let's say, 5 minutes. Because we are expecting that the device will be reporting frequently, and 5-minute interval is what we want. If we want for the critical issue, we can, for example, increase this. Maybe it's not so strict and we are fine with multiple measurement reports being missed, so we can increase this to 10. But 30 days is a lot, so we want to increase this to let's say 1 hour. So if a device misses 10 reports and is offline for an hour, we want to be notified of that there is a critical issue at the device. We can save these settings, and the next time a device will satisfy these conditions of failing in reporting, we will be notified of this issue.